Hello everyone, this is the Blues Hockey Picker, and today in this video I've got a Brinks 50mm laminated steel padlock that I'll be picking for you. Most of you have seen this one, I'm sure, because you find this at most of your big box retail stores. I find these at Walmart, Menards, places like that, and usually they say high security on them, outdoor. But actually the one I will be picking today is one that I saw on Amazon and was kind of curious about, because you notice it's a 50mm laminated steel Boron Shackle Padlock. It is definitely 50mm and 4-pin core, just like its retail counterpart here. And just to show that it is functional, you can see it open, and definitely susceptible to shimming attacks since it doesn't have the ball bearings. But otherwise, it looks very identical to that, except for the branding. And obviously the slight difference in the coloring of the laminated body itself. So this kind of looks a little bit like a different one. The one thought I had on this, if you remember in the previous video, in video number 3, I picked this lock, the Brinks R70 discus style padlock. It says it's high security, meant for storage units. I found out that is definitely probably a bad idea. But there is a counterpart to that, the R80, and you notice that it says commercial instead of just the regular high security, and instead of blue we have the yellow logo. My thought is, since this one, if you notice, doesn't mention anything about security pins, this one actually does say a 4-pin brass cylinder with pick resistant pins. Is my guess is the commercial series actually does have security pins, and some of these lower end series like this definitely do not. But that, I guess we'll see here. So I'm gonna go ahead and clear up the space. We'll move these off camera. This lock remaining in, I'm gonna go ahead and put it in a vise just for my sake for picking. Makes it a little easier for me trying to reach around a camera. Appreciate patience as I load that up. And if you have any information about this particular version, something like potentially from the website, or either if you're a retailer and happen to know the difference between those, or you've got some of these yourself, I would certainly like to know. So feel free to share that with me. So I'll be using the bottom of the keyway tension here, and this particular pick profile from Sparrows. We'll go ahead and begin picking. Okay, click out of one. Okay. Okay, I think we got one out of 4 there. 3 is still binding a little bit. Falling into a bit of a false set here. We are definitely over, and it looks like we got this open. So definitely an easier open than you'd probably care to have, but I actually did detect what felt like a spool pin, because there was definitely a false set further back towards the back. So I do believe this actually does have a spool pin in it. So if you're starting out your lock picking journey and you're on the LPU belts system, this and the other one are supposed to be a yellow belt, and I definitely think they are. This one for sure definitely had a security pin or some security pins in there. Did not, I think, put up too much of a fight there, but I would definitely be careful when you're buying some of the Brinks equipment. and you're starting out that lock picking journey and you see something that says yellow belt, like the R70, and it also mentions the R80, I am very hesitant to say that this is actually on the same level with that, in a future video I'll be picking this. My guess is this has security pins and this definitely does not. This probably, frankly, should be a white belt lock. So, hope you guys enjoyed that. Just for funsies, at the end here, let's see if we can actually rake this lock too. I know it's got security pins and all, you know, that's supposed to be super challenging. Well, not really, it's a yellow belt lock, but just for giggles, we'll go ahead and use a Sparrow's city rake here, and yeah, a little too easy. Probably because it's a 4-pin lock, but there's definitely at least one spool in there somewhere towards the back, probably on pin number 3, at least for my lock. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you enjoyed it, go ahead and hit the like button and maybe even subscribe. Thank you guys. See ya.